Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trace. Happy birthday to you.
They're not singing again.
What is it, big
We
boy?
don't like people singing anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it, Pumpkin? What
Did you
is
hear
it?
that when y'all sang for him? I had
Yeah, he was like, no, no, no.
We don't need to get. He's gonna get that all over that thing.
I don't know.
All over
That's
their stuff.
It's okay. It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It comes back.
Come here, Pooch. Get in it.
Can I have a piece of cake?
Yeah, we'll get him a piece of cake. Here.
Yeah, she
There
can
you
have
go
it.
with the glass maker.
There's
Yeah,
the whole
okay.
cake right there.
You can get a piece of that. I mean, I don't care.
No, that's Tracy's.
Here, yes, ma'am.
Is that Tracy's
All
cake?
these rules. I used to all
Your first birthday, you get your own cake.
I don't know none of them, but I ain't
There
used
you
to.
go.
Or like 4.
Yeah,
I
look.
just like to go sit in the corner.
Huh?
Yeah, stuck his feet.
No, Dad. This is what you're supposed to be in here for this.
Yeah.
And this is.
Yeah, that's another one.
Is that good?
Has he even got any in his mouth?
What are you
Some
doing?
right
You
now.
playing your cake? Can I have some? I'm
I'm glad we get you with that hand. There, eat your cake.
You're welcome. You said thank you, Daddy. He's just not into that whole sharing thing.
That is some good cake. Good cake. Can't take it.
Oh, no, no.
No. Oh, that's a fly right
Here.
There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, that's good.
Daddy, he's not supposed to do it to you.
Trace.
Here we go with the rules. That's what he's gotta do. If he wants to do it, he's gonna do it. I'm gonna go sit in the living room.
Trace.
You want to eat your cake?
You're a little
Look
ham.
at him.
He's a little ham.
My little man out.
He's out, isn't he? He's trying to.
Yeah, get it, buddy.